This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. Alright, today's product review is going to be on a mug tumbler heat press here from AkeyDIY. Pretty interesting product. We're going to try and put a little basic logo with the sublimation paper, and it comes with the heat tape as well, some gloves, and some instructions on how to use it. So we'll go ahead and set everything up here and see what we got. Alright, so we are ready to use this product. We're going to turn it on. I plugged it in and already have everything set. You're going to set it up by hitting the little wrench button on here. You can set the temperature and the time, which we have done in accordance to the instruction manual here, where it says for a mug, which we're using a sublimation mug, 180 degrees Celsius, 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 180 seconds. It defaults as Fahrenheit, so we're in good shape there. We have our design that is sitting right here on the sublimation mug. Remember, you have to have special sublimation mugs. You can use sublimation ink and sublimation paper. I already used the pre-made, ready to go. And what we're going to do is emboss a text logo on this coffee mug. So once this heats up, I'll show you how to put it in, and then we'll take it out. So it just reached its operating temperature of 360 degrees. You'll hear it beep here in just a second. What you're going to do is these two screws right here actually set the pressure of the mug. So the bigger the mug, the more you have to screw it out. We have a pretty decent sized mug here. The heat should be equal all around this machine. So what we're going to do is toss it in here. We've got the heat tape on it. We're going to close this up. And the timer has started. And after 180 seconds, we'll rejoin y'all back to see what type of product we have and if I know how to make a logo. Alright guys, let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And it's done. We'll put our gloves on. We'll get this thing out. See how it looks. Alright. Did we do a good job? Ooh, we got something. I can see it, I think. Hey, look at that. We're not any pros yet, but that is a result. So again, sublimation paper, we followed the instructions. This is what we got. Better than nothing. If you're more of a professional at this, your results are probably going to be a lot better. Nonetheless, proof of concept, it works. Well, if there's anything I've learned here, it's probably that crafting is not my forte. However, somebody who is a beginner can still figure out how to do it. And I'm sure that each mug that I would produce would be better and better as opposed to this one right here. Nonetheless, we have proved the proof of concept of this machine. Makes it really easy when it comes to putting logos and whatnot on mugs or tumblers or anything that allows sublimation heat transfer. So if you are looking to get into this, it's going to take some practice, but if you are already in this and are looking for a decent heat press, this probably will fit the bill. Very easy to use once you figure out the whole sublimation process. And the instructions are fairly straightforward. A little bit of translation issues and whatnot there, but you can still figure it out pretty easily. I mean, it's made of metal, seems decently built, and hopefully we'll be ready for your sublimation and heat press needs. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and the comedy associated with making this mug. It took us a few times to get it right, but we got it right and we've shown that this product works. So your challenge is to do better than me. Take care, guys. Catch you on the next one.